Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Bob Marley Redemption song. Very cool song on the acoustic guitar. So, not that hard. I mean, the melody is a little bit hard. Let's do that later. Let's go over the chords and the strumming first. And then we talk about the intro. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. We got E minor. 1, 2. C major. A minor. 1, 2, 3. Then we got D major. 2, 3. And I think that's all the chords we need for the verse and chorus. And then we got E minor. We already went over that, so yeah, I think that's all the chords we need. Alright, so let's check out the switching and then talk about the strumming. We got G major, 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, C, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, G, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, D. When we go from the C, if you can, try to get a B in there. So it's traveling down, C, B, over C, A minor. I'm going down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Let's take it to the chorus. Then you hang on the D there last time. Chorus. G, C, D, G, C, D. Let's see. So the chorus starts on C, D, G, second time C, D, E minor, and and then C, D, G, C, D, G. E minor. Okay, verse. G, E minor, A minor, D major, G, G, E minor, C, B, A. Stay on D. Is G, C, D, G, C, D, E minor, C, D, G, C, D, G. And then we have the breakdown. As E minor, C, D. Okay, let's talk about the intro melody, and I think it happens at the end too. So I'm playing a G, this kind of G, where it's just 3rd fret, muting the A string. I'm holding that G, this is more advanced, and then I'm playing the melody inside that chord. But okay, so if you just want to learn the melodies, that's G, A, B, G, G, A, B, G, C, E, D, C, E, D, B. Alright, that's the first time. Okay. It's good to learn notes so we can communicate saying the notes instead of numbers. It's much easier. It's not that many notes to keep track of. Anyway, so G, A, B, G, yeah, C, E, D, B. That's the first time, and then this repeats. Let's see. Oh, that's different. G, A, B, D, and then C, B, A, G. Alright. It's hard to say it and play it, but let me play it slow. You can check it out. Song, Bob Marley. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow. Take it easy.